Welcome to the Mr. Men Plush Show. Egads! I'm going to wheeze. Little Miss Hepful, why are you wheezing? This is my wheezing day. What the heck? Do I need a tickle to make her stop wheezing? Is she wheezing so much? This is so weird. This is so weird, FF monkey. Thank you. I finally stopped wheezing. Now you should get your Coke. What?